In 2012, Apple's engineers faced a challenge: replace the bulky 30-pin connector. They needed something smaller, faster, and reversible. Late one night, inspiration struck. They designed a tiny, sleek, double-sided connector, perfect for the evolving tech landscape. They called it Lightning, reflecting its speed and versatility. The team raced against time, refining the design to ensure it could handle charging, data transfer, and audio. After countless prototypes and long nights, they succeeded. The debut of the Lightning cable with the iPhone 5 was revolutionary. It was faster, more efficient, and user-friendly, setting a new standard in technology. This tiny transformative innovation showed that even the smallest changes can make a big impact.